Hi guys, sorry for a bit of gap in the Prilly channel. We being little bit occupied, we couldn't make a video in the last month, but we are back with the bang. So today we have Prilly's grandparents with us. So they want to share their views on Prilly. So I think his grandfather is going to start. Let's see what they have to say about him.
Hi, Lily channel is named after my grandson, Mr. Amatya. He is born in January 2017 and so active. Since then, he is born and brought up here only. He is a Ravi Colony, Tirumalagiri, Secunderabad, and he is with us. He has been with us since birth, and we are so happy because he is our grandson. And the boy is very sincere in every thing in studies, whatever it may be, and is very good boy and very boy with a lot of humility and all those things because he is my grandson. I am not telling all those things, but really wonderful boy, and his friends are like Brendan and others. They are also very good equally, and now the boy till 5 days back he was with us, and unfortunately or fortunately my grandson has been shifted to my home Bhuja and is now residing there, and at the weekends he is coming to us, and he is keeping us very happy, and for Monday to Friday he will be in Bhuja, and then Saturday and Sunday he is coming to Ravi Colony, and really very good boy, and that's why my son Mr. Vamshi has started this Prilly channel, and the viewers, we are very happy because you are encouraging this channel, and really, and my grandson and my son and their friends are definitely they would go on adding some content, and they are going to do something.
And wonderful boy.
Thank you. Great.
వండర్ఫుల్ బాయ్, ఇంటెలిజెంట్, అడ్జస్ట్ అయ్యే నేచరు, భక్తి ఉంది. ఈ వయసులో ఏముండాలో అంతకంటే ఎక్కువ ఉన్నాయి. మై ప్రౌడ్ ఆఫ్ యూ, గ్రేట్ బాయ్.